Namaste. Gulika and Mandi. These are two heavenly bodies and they're considered to be the progeny of Saturn. How do these function? You will notice that in some horoscopes, they don't cause any harm, but in certain horoscopes, they cause extreme harm. So, how do we understand this? Let me share that in today's video. The best way to understand how Gulika or Mandi works would be to relate them to the sleeper cells. Now, what are these sleeper cells? These sleeper cells are certain people that are living very harmoniously within the society, but they're actually being implanted by terrorist organizations. Only when they get the signal, only when they get activated, is when these sleeper cells awaken and they perform certain crime or unhealthy activities. Gulika and Mandi works extremely similar to those. So by default, they don't cause any harm, but they only cause harm when they get activated. That leads to our next question. When do they actually get activated? Gulika or Mandi get activated by Saturn. That is, Saturn has to give a command. And that happens when these two planets are in the natal horoscope present in the houses of Saturn, or during transit, Saturn actually goes over them. So, or another possibility is when Gulika or Mandi they transit the natal Saturn. All these three possibilities are present. And when this happens, they get activated. Now that we know how they work and when they get activated, the third question that we should answer is when they get activated, what type of activity do they carry? Mostly, Gulika and Mandi are associated with negative activity. It could be problems in any aspect of your life. It could be health, it could be finances, it could be marriage, it could be just quarrels between husband and wife, or it could go as bad as divorce. It could be from a profession perspective, it could be from a children perspective, it could be any of these things. The type of activation that happens should be seen either through a bhava chart or through a rasi chart. So this house in the bhava or in the Rashi chart will tell you the type of activation. Now, what is a bhava chart? What is a Rashi chart? What's the difference between those two? I'll save that for the next video. Namaste and nice connecting back with you again.